All right, today we're going to be talking about our school store for fourth grade math. So, our learning intentions and success criteria, we've been talking about this for about a month now, and we've kind of broken it down, but I'm going to go over it one more time. So, we will learn to add and subtract using standard algorithm that includes whole numbers and decimals all the way to the hundredths place. We will be able to solve multi-step problems using the four operations: add, subtract, multiply, and divide. And we're really focusing on adding and subtracting right now. We will be able to round to compatible numbers and estimate solutions for whole numbers. And we will also be able to talk about profit and calculate profit. Now, what does that basically mean? Well, that means we can add and subtract. We can solve multiple step problems. We can round and we can do profit. Okay, simple. We've been talking about it for about a month. So now let's keep going. So when would we need to use these skills? When would we need to add and subtract? Let's talk about it. Yes, we could use it when we're shopping for clothes. Maybe when we're going to the grocery store. When we maybe have our own business someday. When we're getting allowance from mom and dad and we want to buy something with our money. And when we go to Sonic, we need to know how much cash to give them when we order our slushie. So, whoa, we've learned a lot already, and we know that we need to learn this. So, let's have a school store. So, get ready to add and subtract that money. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to have a family store. Okay, but first, it's family. Okay, you will each receive a family card that gives you information about how your family is set up: mom, dad, how many kids you have, what type of money you guys are bringing in based on your job, and how much profit you will have each month. Okay, then you have to decide as a family, how much money do we have to spend? How much do we need to spend? Do we want to save? What do we need to do with our money? How much money do we have? Okay. Now you need to make a shopping list. Okay. First, you need everything that we need. Okay. But at the same time, you need to estimate how much it's going to cost. When you go to the store, it might be a different number, but we need to know generally how much money we're going to spend. So that's where that rounding comes in. Okay. Plus, you need to add and subtract how much money we have, but also adding your entire shopping list to make sure that we have enough money. Okay. Time to shop. Okay, now you actually get to go into our school store, which is next door in the next classroom over. You get to go pick those items off the shelf. You get to add them up on your paper. You'll have an answer document. And you're going to make sure you have everything added correctly and you have the right amount of money so that you get the correct amount of change. Then the fun part, you get to go to the cash register. Okay, a teacher will be monitoring your cash register, making sure you're adding everything correctly, and then subtracting your amount of money correctly. Okay, if you get the all clear from your teacher and you have spent the exact amount of money you wanted to spend and you've done all of your adding and subtracting perfectly, you are and your family are successful and you will be eating for a month. Okay, then your teacher will give you your next purchase order. And that's it. That is my lesson for our school store. Thank you.